out there? Welcome to another episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by, say it with me, you know who, my amazing team here, behind me here at Solar Wolf Energy. And today we have some somber news, unfortunately, with a competitor, but a highly respected competitor in Petersen-Dean, also known as Solar for America or Solar Roofing for America. They have quite a few subsidiaries of companies that are heavily entrenched in construction, mostly in the solar and roofing industries. So this company's been around for, I want to say, about 35 years. Started by two individuals in their early 20s and grew successfully over the years. I believe they had just about 3,000 employees that unfortunately I think now are going to be looking for a new career or a new job or a new place to go to work. It appears that on the 11th or the 12th of June, it was a Friday, that they filed for bankruptcy. It's unfortunate. If you go online and you Google, basically you can see the critical path that this was heading toward that way. They had some troubles in May with some retirement issues, and just it appears the thread was coming undone, unfortunately, for the company. Now, what I'd like to do is take this time for those of you who went solar or are having a roof done. If you're in the middle of your process and you're not actually able to have this finished because of this, what you're going to want to do is, I would suggest, reach out. If you financed this, reach out to your finance company, explain the situation. They're most likely aware of it by now, and see if they have anyone else they can loop you in to finish your project. It's in your interest, as well as the finance company's interest, to finish the project so that you can enjoy the solar or the roofing that you were looking for, perhaps both. If you're not getting anywhere with that, I implore you to reach out to us here at Solar TV. We'd be more than happy to connect you with some of our colleagues in the space. Now, as you know, we here at Solar Wolf Energy are not so much in the West Coast, but we do have a great network of quality folks out in California, out on the West Coast, that will be able to help you, that we would trust with our own houses. So that being said, please feel free to lean on us. If you need anything, any kind of information, networking, or anything of the sort, reach out and let's see if we can help you guys wrap that up. For those of you who have already gone solar, again, you can reach out to your finance company if you're looking for any kind of monitoring help or anything of the sort, but also any kind of trade associations or any of the solar companies, because you're going to want any kind of service and warranty issues. Perhaps a manufacturer, if you went with LG panels or Silfabs or SunPowers, reach out to them as well. They would be a great source of information for you going forward. And with all of that, I'd like to say thank you for watching here another episode with me here on Uncensored Solar TV. Again, on behalf of my amazing team that I'm grateful to have with me here at Uncensored Solar TV, at Solar Wolf Energy. So thanks for watching, and let us know if we can help you. Thank you.